Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, and also get the right tools to be able to trade the financial market profitably in passive income and be able to live the life that they love. My passion is leadership and financial freedom. So what makes me happy is to see this transformation in your life when you become less bothered about money and live the life that you love. And today's market fundamental and technical breakdown is for the time period of 24th of March to the 28th of March, okay? And how this goes down is that we will talk about the technical charts, which has to do with Euro USD, AED USD, gold, and then BTC USDT. Then we'll talk about the fundamentals, which has to do with the news events, the interest rates, the employment results, the tariff results or tariff implications to the currencies we'll be trading for this week. And if we see a trading opportunity while we are live, we will send a signal to you guys. Meanwhile, a lot of comments has been coming into my inbox on our social media handle that you want to actually see my website. This is our website. Okay, it is www.10xdigitallane.com. And like I told you, I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane. Okay, and if you can read properly, say 10x your digital passive portfolio. 10x Digital Lane Academy brings you a unique perspective to the world of digital assets. We teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income on different digital assets, how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to hero. So if you sign up right now with us, because procrastination is the thief of your time. On the right-hand side, you can see a video over here. If you can play that video, you can be able to get the full presentation of our company, okay? The CAC registration documents, the EFCC registration documents that enables us to carry out transactions within Nigeria and offer the services to you, okay? And also our game plan, our future projection, the purpose of us creating this company, our team, our services and our products. So if you want to really know more, get more education, because they say it is best to get education in any business, okay, you're going into, so that you don't get to lose money in it. So if you want to really get more education about what we do, I will advise you to take your time and play this video over here. Okay, it's just a 26 to 30 minutes video, okay? You just play it and it is entertaining. At the end of the video, you're going to get a free giveaway. You will receive a free giveaway at the end of the video. So just watch that video to the end on the website and you get the free giveaway. These are a few companies that we use and we have partnered with over the time. And over here, these are our partners, our global partners from all over the world. And you can see me there as CEO. And also, these are our global partners that assist us in carrying out our business transactions and also making sure that business runs smoothly for us in every single area. Then these are our prices, okay? And we have the free package, we have the 1 month package, the 3 months package, the 6 months package, and the 1 year package. Each and every one of them comes with their own unique benefits, okay? So you need to be aware that any package you're going for comes with its own unique benefits. And if you watch that video I introduced to you first, you'll be able to get those unique benefits and well explained to you. These are some of the testimonies of people that have taken my words and they took actions and they were able to get the results. To know and not to do is not to know. But to know and to do is definitely to know. Because when you do, you get the results you want. Just like Tony Sisto says, he says, I love how easy it was to get started, especially with all the tutorials. I quit my second job with the income coming from 10x Crypto Academy. Over here, Ogenna says, I still remember what you told me that time. Everything, I'm still sticking to all of them. We have many more testimonies, even video testimonies. Over here is a video testimony. I want you to watch this video testimony. It has to do with my students, two of my students. They traded cryptocurrency with us. They put in their capital, and then within a short period of time, within 2 to 3 weeks time, they were able to get 100% of their capital back. Watch these two videos. It's a testimony video. Over here is a very short video. I think this one is about 3 minutes long, and then this second one here is about I think about 6 minutes long. Okay, so once you're done watching it, you can be able to get a much clearer understanding of what we do and how we do it, because I like to show you so you know, okay, and be able to what, take action so you can get the results you want. So over here now is we also offer more like a donation to the less privileged, okay, and it is more like giving back to the poor, and we do this every year, once every year in the month of November. Okay, and I try as much as possible to get contributions from my international partners, my students, and also from our own personal pockets to offer these donations to the less privileged. And most times, I always invite our students. So as we are done with the visitation, we can as well relax and have lunch or probably dinner while we continue our trading journey. So if you have any questions at all, you can contact us through here with your name, your email, and your message. We will reply you, or you reach out to customer service, and customer service will be able to reply you. First of all, it's an automated AI that will reply you. Then if the challenge is quite enhanced for the AI, we will push you towards an individual that will reach out to you. So try this out if you have difficulty signing up, or if you have questions regarding any of our services or our plans. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's now dive into the technical charts. Okay. So for the technical charts, like I told you, we'll talk about Euro USD, every chart that is here, Euro USD, AUD USD, gold, and Bitcoin. Okay. But before I talk about this week's projection, I want to show you our last week's projection. So our last week projection, we had Euro USD around this area. And we told you guys we expect Euro USD to drop, come back into the supply zone and drop. Exactly that's what Euro USD has done. And we have a projection that it's going to come towards this 50 to 62 Fibonacci retracement point. How we go this 50 to 60 Fibonacci retracement point? But if we take this Fibonacci from this swing low, okay, over here, to this swing high, over here, you see what this is between the 50 and 62 Fibonacci retracement point over here. Okay, and we also have a fair value gap there. So that's what made me to spot out this particular Fibonacci retracement point. Okay, so we guys should adjust this properly, should go this way. Thank you. So, but the market just fulfilled the first part of this plan. The first part was this impulse correction for another impulse. It came back towards this for the demand zone. So our plan is still on track. So let's now go and update this current chart on Euro USD. We need to update the current chart on Euro USD. We start from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we know that the month of March has been a bullish month, because this was the first week. It was the first week of March, the second week of March, the third week of March, and this is now the fourth week of March. So now we come over here, we just adjust the previous week low. That's what we do on the weekly time frame, and the previous week high. That's what we are done with the weekly time frame. Then we go to the daily time frame. That's where we go to next. We go to the daily time frame next. And on the daily time frame, we spot out the daily demand and supply zone, and also the prevailing trend. This is the daily supply zone, okay? And also this is the daily demand zone, okay? And this is the prevailing trend. So actually the daily time frame has already been adjusted by itself. Then we move to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we identify the 4 hours demand and supply zone. So this is the 4 hours demand zone over here. This is the last red candle, okay? The last red candle before the market had a change of character. This is the demand zone, okay? Good. So this is this is the 4 hours demand zone. And from what I can see, the market is having a bullish projection right now, a bullish projection. So there is chances that this market, there was an impulse correction, This seems like a double top, and then a change of character, an impulse, which took this low. So there's a chance that the market is coming towards this the supply zone, okay, before any other thing first. So this move to the upside is highly possible for Euro USD, okay? So if I'm to update the supply zone for the 4 hours time frame, this should be the supply zone. This should be the supply zone for Euro USD as at now. Let me delete this. I think it's too far. Okay, so this is the supply zone. So from basically what I can see right now, this push to the upside is highly possible for Euro USD. So if I should go down to the smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes, because we are day traders, I can actually see that this was the last low that was taken. It was the last low, and this was the first market structure break. So if we are to go in for this trade, it should be within this zone. There's a demand zone here. So this is why I say markets can return to its region. Okay. So we are snipers. We don't act impulsively. So once the market comes back inside this region, you can take a 20 pip stop loss trade and aim higher towards this level, more like an 80 pips with profit, which is 1:4. It's $100 investment, you're making $400 return. With $1,000, you're making $4,000. So this is the trade. So, so for you guys staying live with us right now, we are going to buy Euro USD at 1.08231. 1.08231. When we buy Euro USD at 1.08231, stop loss is 20 pips, take profit is 80 pips. Okay, so that's literally what I see right now on Euro USD. Okay, buy limits on Euro USD 1.08231. Let me drop that on the group on Telegram. So you need to follow us on Telegram. If you're not following us on Telegram, you're missing out, because that's where the signals go to first. Go to Telegram. The link is going to be on the description. Okay, go there right now, follow us, because I'm dropping this signal right now on Telegram. Okay, so once I'm done dropping the signal, we continue and we advance to AUD USD. Okay, so I'm dropping the signal now on Euro USD. We're buying at 1.08231. Buy limit on Euro USD. Entry is 1.08231. Stop loss is a 20 pip stop loss, which is at 1.08031. And then take profit is a 80 pips take profit, which is at 1.09031 cents. Then we move. Okay, good. So receive that on Telegram. If you have not joined our Telegram, go and join our Telegram now. If you have not, the link is going to be on the description. It's going to be there. The link is there. I dropped it there. Okay, then the next is AED USD. So AED USD, this was our bias for last week. So guys, AED is going to come towards the supply zone, which it did, and after that, we expect it to drop. And exactly what the move to the upside was extended. The move to the upside on AED USD was extended. So our forecast and bias was still accurate, but it's what extended above this was demand. Sorry, supply zone. So I love that we did that. I love it. Why I love that you did that is because it has given us another word. It's given us another demand zone that the market is highly respecting. Let me use this instead. It gives us another demand zone the market is highly respecting, which is this zone here. Thank you. So this is the zone the market is highly respecting. Okay. And let's now update this chart. We'll still come back to that. So last week on the weekly time frame, what we do is that we just mark out the previous week high and previous week low. If the market breaks the previous week high, we go higher. If the market breaks the previous week low, we go lower. So if you see last week's low was not even taken. And even the previous week low was not. So buy sentiment is highly strong. Then on the demand and supply level, daily demand stands. Yeah, this daily demand stands over here. Because this was the last red candle that was created before this high that was taken here. This is the last red candle. Then the daily supply zone. If I'm to mark out the daily supply zone, this should be the prevailing daily supply zone. We have two daily supply zone here, okay, and also here, over here. The last blue candle before this low was taken, this low, okay, this low over here. Let me mark that out. This low was taken. So and also see this low is liquidity that was taken there. So and if I should look closely, do I see a fair value gap anywhere? No fair value gap there. So this is literally what I see on AUD USD on the daily time frame. Then there is a prevailing trend that I see that goes this way. See, first touch, second touch, third touch, more touches, more respect. So I see a prevalent trend that goes this way, and I think this prevalent trend does not stand anymore because it has been broken by last week's extension. So this was the one that stood before, where it has been broken. So this was the one that's so it is in the past now. So this is not the prevalent trend I have seen on the daily time frame. Let me adjust it properly. And we're inside the demand zone. Good. Then we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we have marked the 4 hour demand zone. So what about the 4 hour supply zone? We're going to use the last red candle, which is literally here. So the last blue candle before the drop. And we mark out this over here. These 4 hours. So this will be deleted. Good. So based on what I can see, AUD is the strongest currency for today. It had positive news early in the morning, yesterday on Sunday by 11. So based on what I can see on AUD USD, after that positive news spiked up, okay. The market has actually completed return to reading. It did that by 5 o'clock this morning, and the bullish bias is strong. So, but see how that will play out. This was the Judas swing over here. Okay. So this is the first change of character. Oh no, that is not. This is the change of character here. This is not the market structure break. So we expect market to still come back, but this time around it's coming back towards this level. And that's where we're taking it from. So I still have a bullish bias for AUD USD. These effect and not cause. Okay, so my bias for AUD USD, just like I have a bias on Euro USD, the bias is towards the upside, this level. That's it. That's it. So that's my bias for AUD USD. And we already called out the signal on Euro USD. So if you missed it, go back and check it out. Then for gold for last week forecast was not actually didn't actually play out like intended. We expect it to sell from this level, from $3,000 level, but it's what did what instead it bought more. So literally, I can see that what gold has done now is broke, retest, and then move up. So there's something I want to talk to you guys about, which is whenever a currency, a commodity, or an asset is creating all-time highs, whereby you cannot really signify which they cannot really signify which particular level you should place your supply demand zone. What you need to start using is quarter points, and gold works with quarter points very, very well. So gold works with a 500 pip quarter point. Okay, like from 3,000 to 3,050 is a 500 pip move on gold. Okay, so we'll be using the quarter points right now to signify our demand and supply zones. Okay, so from we place this first quarter point, demand quarter point, to be at 3,000. Is going to be our demand zone. Okay, guys, every single currency and commodity has its quarter point. So from 3,050 to 3,100 is another 500 pip on gold. So these are another words level that institutions are looking at this pair to either buy more or have a little sell off. Then from 3,100 to 3,150 is another quarter point. The demand and supply level. And due to the algorithms that run the market, these quarter points are very significant. So then the next is we adjust from 3,000 to 3,950 with under 500 big quarter points, and then from 950 to 900 and 2,900 is another 500 big quarter points. So if you want to be accurate in what you just did, you can get this two and then place it on this line and extend it. You extend it and you get 5,000 points there. You get 5,000 points on the line, then it is accurate. Get 5,000 points on the line, it is accurate. So that's literally how we can use a quarter point to signify demand and supply. But with that said, let's update this week's chart. So we go to the weekly time frame. We mark out the previous week high and previous week low on gold. We already know that gold has the bullish month, so we're looking more for buy setups more than sell setups. Okay. So due to the tariff and trade war going on in the world, it's making a lot of currencies and banks to invest in safe assets like gold. Then with that done in the weekly time frame, we go down to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we need to mark out the daily demand and daily supply zone. So in the daily supply zone, I can mark out this last blue candle over here. This last blue candle is the last before this massive drop played out. Okay. And then for the daily demand zone. Okay. So please, guys, I already dropped a signal. If you're here, I already dropped a signal in the free Telegram group. So if you have not placed the trade on the free Telegram group, this is the free Telegram group signal that I sent. Okay, you need to get the link on the description, or you go to our bio and you get the link to this Telegram. This is a buy limit on Euro USD. So you guys shouldn't miss this trade. You can place it right now while you're still paying attention to us, okay? So you don't miss this trade. Then you come over here. This is the demand zone I see on the daily time frame. Yes, this is the demand zone. Why I see it as a demand zone? Because we have a fair value gap that played out like this. This is a fair value gap, okay? And it signifies wherever you see fair value gap towards the demand zone, this demand zone is highly respected. So I'll delete this line. Then this is the demand zone we're working with right now. This is the demand zone we're working with right now on the daily time frame. And the prevailing trend is uptrend. Everyone knows that the prevailing trend is up. So we have a supply zone and a demand zone on the daily time frame, and we have a prevailing trend. Okay. So we go down to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, what do? We find the 4 hours demand and supply zone. So for the 4 hours demand zone, I see this zone over here, this red candle over here as the demand zone on the 4 hours. Okay. Then the supply zone. This is the supply zone I see. Did this fulfill efficiency? Was this validated? Let's see. So this is the supply zone I see on the 4 hours time frame, which aligns with the quarter points. Okay. So you can see over here the market just tapped this quarter point. Tell you how significant that can be. Tapped this quarter point and started pushing to the upside. Okay, so with that in mind now for gold, I see two. I have two views for gold. I see that gold could easily drop lower, go higher, and drop again. This is possible for gold. Okay. And then the second view I have for gold is gold can simply move to this high and drop. So this is what I see on gold right now. This is what I see on gold. So either one is either goes towards this previous week low, okay, then get buy momentum to continue pushing to the upside towards this supply zone, or just from this level it moves up to the supply zone and then drops down. Then the last on the list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So let me delete this. Good. So for me on Bitcoin, I already analyzed this market. Once the market, I told you guys last week, once the market breaks this liquidity level, once the market breaks this liquidity level of 85,688, there is a 371 million liquidation order that is here. Once the market broke it, we're now looking for buy setups. We're heading towards 91,000. Okay, for Bitcoin for the meantime, we're heading towards 91,000. So that's what I see mainly. Let me just update the weekly based on, because we already did this analysis and we dropped it in our Telegram group. We also dropped it in our WhatsApp group. Okay, as at last week Saturday. So that's why at just a glance I was able to understand what the market is doing. So if you are not part of our WhatsApp group, the link is going to be on the description. We drop updates, we drop analysis, we drop signals in those groups, we drop funding opportunities, we drop a lot of information there. So don't miss out on there. Join our community, interact with other traders, and we make profit together. So this year is on the Bitcoin trade. This is the daily time frame now. We mark out the daily demand and daily supply zone. Okay. So on the daily supply zone, this is the daily supply zone, which has been marked out already. Then on the daily demand zone, this is going to be the daily demand, the current daily demand zone that I can see. Then with that said, the prevalence trend still stands. It's a downtrend. Okay, no matter what, prevailing trend still stands. So let me just acknowledge that this prevailing trend is still here. Let's see if there is any confluence in the process. Yes. So this is the prevailing trend, and this is where we have multiple purchase. Let's get to where we have multiple purchase. So this is still the prevailing trend, though, not minding what the market is doing. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I see. I see a 4 hours supply zone exactly here. So let me use this and update it, this supply level, because this fulfill the efficiency exactly. Then this is the 4 hours supply zone I see over here. Okay, so let's see how the market reacts when it gets to this level. Meanwhile, I see a 4 hours demand zone over here. See a 4 hours demand zone over here. Then let me delete this, not too good. So what I can see right now, the market is heading towards the supply zone. So if it's for buys are still prevalent. It can get towards the supply zone, and then you can see sales start pumping in because of a confluence. We have what a supply zone, not just with a prevalent trend line. Okay, we also have a supply zone with what with the 4 hours time frame, a confluence with the daily time frame. So literally, if the market comes towards and we see a bearish bias, we should be taking this sell. Okay, and the sell could go lower to break this low. Okay, because I see that this market is still trending to the downside. More like a big corrective structure. Big corrective structure. But if Bitcoin prevails, and we could be wrong, and Bitcoin prevails and breaks here, just like I told you, we have a target of 91,000. It's going to retest the supply zone as a demand zone, and then we can now even expect more extension towards the overall target of this 120. Okay, and this could happen for the month of April. Okay, because we're heading into a new month of April, and if that happens, then good. We can be able to know that April is going to be a bullish month for Bitcoin. But for now, we still need to see what the market will do at this level. Whatever it does here, we then follow the market. We don't actually tell the market what to do, because once this high is taken, it is a complete change of structure, and bullish liquidity has been taken. You get the point. So that's why once this side is taken, I'll be way more comfortable to take buys here. But from this level where the market is, we'll be taking sells if you see any sell indicator for Bitcoin, and then we'll be shorting the market because it's currently close to a supply zone. Okay. So this is what I see currently for BTC USDT. And let's now move to the next segment. If you guys want to learn how to trade, like I told you guys before, just dive down to our websites, okay? Or you can visit our link tree. We have a link tree on the description here, which is Linktree, LOINKTRIEE, okay, /TonyFX. Once you visit that link tree, okay, you will be able to gain access to our variety of products and services. Be able to gain access to a variety of products and services like our Telegram group chat, our WhatsApp group chat, you see. So this is the link tree. I always drop it on the description, okay? And on the link tree, you can see our seller store. This seller store now will give you access to all our products, okay? If you're in Kenya, if you're in Ghana, if you're in UK, if you're in Europe, wherever you are in this world, you can be able to purchase from us using our seller store, okay? So you can get our book. This is our real estate book. Like we told you guys in our website that 10x Sterling is that we're going to show you how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to hero. So we have a book we already wrote, okay? I wrote it how to make 6 figures in 6 months without owning a property. And this is something we have practiced before we go to the book. We don't just teach what we don't do. We do, then we teach to pass down the knowledge, because in the ancient days, our ancestors, most of them had a lot of knowledge, okay, but they never passed it down, which is bad. So, but right now, we're passing it down to you for free. We're not charging you, see, for free. You can get this book for free. You can also get how to become a passive income machine for free. And why I'm giving you this opportunity now is because you have watched this point. I see that there's a lot of you that has been committed. You started with us and you're here to the end. Okay, so also how to become a passive income machine. You can learn that for free. Okay, just go to our seller store. The link is going to be on the description, or you can type this in. You can look at the website linktree /TonyFX. Then once you click there, you gain access to our seller store. Over here, you can join our VIP Signal group. This is for Nigerians. You pay 15,000 naira to join the VIP group. In the VIP group, you're gaining access to such analysis every single day from Monday to Friday, okay? And if you see trading opportunities, we drop the signal for you. But if you're in the free group, you get such analysis only once a week on Monday. And you get a second analysis if we have a major news event like NFP or interest rate decision, and I just want to carry you along and trade together with you, then you'll get the opportunity to trade alongside with me live and get signals with me live, just like I sent you signals today live on Euro USD. But for the VIP Signal students, we carry you like gold. We treat you like royalty, okay? And we make sure you get analysis every single day, get a signal to place every single day, and also grow your account exponentially. So with that said, if you want to now learn about trading, you can as well pay from the website, or you come over here and pay for our course. Okay, once you pay for our course, you can get the 1 month package, the 3 months package, the 6 months package, and the 1 year package. If you come over here as well, we break down the details of every single value you'll be getting. Then the Forex Mastery, a guide to trading structure. This is a book, a basic book that teaches you about the basics of trading Forex. Okay, or once you get this book, you are set to know the right psychology, you know the right risk management mindset, and also the right approach towards the market as a beginner. Then over here, you can schedule a meeting. Everything I've said there is confusing to you. You can schedule a meeting with me, pick a time and a day. I'll come and explain everything to you. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this link, register for our recommended broker, HFM, XNES, crypto broker, Binance, and every other link that is related to our services like our Facebook community, Instagram, Twitter, and Linktree. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I wish you a profitable trading week. I'll be updating the VIP Signal group with any other content and information. So if you want that, subscribe and join us right now. I wish you a profitable trading week, guys.